following is an urgent high wind statement for the following counties in North Carolina, Ashe and Latauga, and Grayson, Virginia. High wind warning in effect from 8 p.m. this evening to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. What? Southeast winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? In North Carolina, Ashe and Latauga counties. In Virginia, Grayson, Smith, and Tazewell counties. When? From 8 p.m. this evening to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. The strongest wind will be at the highest elevations. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Flood warning now in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon.
And this high wind warning here, this is not only the first high wind warning, well, a toned high wind warning to be specific, through WNG588, but this is also my first toned high wind warning in 6 months. Ever since the last one I got 6 months ago through WXL42, which, like this high wind warning, was also issued by RNK, or Blacksburg, Virginia.